Hi, we're going to show you how to be ratchets. Don't I look like one? Cute. Look at her tees.
Work it.
We're going to show you how...
No, it doesn't cut it for the girls.
Shut up. We're going to show you how they put on their makeup.
For example...
Dude. Cute, right? So attractive. I wonder how long this actually takes them to put it on.
And me?
Let me do you, girl. Because you ratchet. Other side. Alright, let's show them how we look. Cute.
She ratchet. Alright, next goes the eyeliner.
I wonder how
Girls,
much
if you want to dig it like this, you put it like this, and you go below your eye. That does not cut it. Don't you see how ugly? What the heck?
Or when you put it all the way out here.
Or when you put it like this.
Oh, out.
What the fuck? You and I look like a ratchet. Other side.
Let me do the eyebrows.
Bedazzled.
Let me show you how the eyebrows go. Cute, right?
Cute, right?
Let me do the other side. Girl, just get your own eyelashes. I dislike how you do your eyelashes too. You need to put on fake ones.
No need to put on fake ones because, girl, mine are real.
Show them, girl.
Wait, shoot. You saw, girl?
Let me show you. Put your eyelash right here.
Cute. Mm-hmm.
Where you get those things ready?
By the way, I get my eyebrows done at Happy Now. It's only $2 for your first time. Then your next trip it's $13 because mine are getting kind of bushy.
And girls that take pics like this, girl, not cute.
Or like this.
Or like this.
Not cute. Or like this. Not cute.
Get your own
Hey. Your boobs are supposed to be in your shirt? No.
Put them wherever you want if you're a ratchet.
I do it for the ratchets.
Oh.
I do it for the ratchets.
Oh. Ratchet. Keep in touch. Bye. Bye, guys.
Subscribe, like.